Yes guys, we are back. US bank holiday today, so no trade day for me. Some really exciting news just before we get into the video. I'm over halfway to completing the XAUUSD course, so please stay tuned and I'll be releasing it as soon as possible. The first 50 purchases will get a discount. Based off the fact that we did get a loss on Friday, and there has been some wins in between there and then, but I thought it'd be best to go through the loss and see where I may have gone wrong. As you can see from this picture, the analysis perfectly played out. I would have bagged a good 80 pips. The trade was on gold, and you can see here and here we had the support and resistance form. This is the 15-minute chart. We got our closure from this candle here, giving an indication to the market that we're going to make a bit of a bearish downtrend. We had the clean range to the left hand side here. We then broke the previous wick here, and this is where I entered the trade with the team at XAUUSD. As you can see, we entered the trade and then we had a pullback, which is completely normal and it's healthy for the market to have pullbacks. Unfortunately, this pullback took us out our trade for 30 pips, resulting in a 2.5% loss on that day for me. As you can see, the trade played out perfectly, and I was so frustrated at myself. This is because I always put my stops by the previous half-an-hour candle, allowing the trade to breathe. But for some unknown reason, I put my stops below the previous 15-minute candle on the current one. I know this is because I thought in my head, the stops are too big if I go per the previous half-an-hour candle. But this is not sticking to my plan, and I didn't put the stops below the previous half-an-hour candle, and I paid for it. I know that I thought, it's a Friday, I've made some profits. You shouldn't take another trade and then lose it. Maybe if I just put my stops below the current 15-minute candle, it won't be as big of a loss. I took the loss and then watched the charts after, and the trade play out perfectly. It's exactly how I wanted.